Hello, second grade. So earlier this week we talked about what a pronoun is, and I would like to review that again today. So remember that a pronoun is a word that can take the place of a noun. So a pronoun replaces a noun. Let's look at a few sentences where you are going to figure out which pronouns you can use to replace some nouns. So what you're going to need right now is your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker. You should have those with you right now. Let's look at the first example. Can you read this sentence by yourself? So the sentence says, Juan was playing. In this sentence, the noun is Juan. What pronoun can you use to replace the word Juan? Write that on your whiteboard right now. The pronoun you could have used was he. He was playing. Okay, let's look at another example. I will read the book. So the noun in this sentence is the book. What pronoun can you use to replace the noun the book? Write that on your whiteboard. You could have said it. I will read it. Okay, let's look at another one. Go ahead and read this sentence by yourself out loud. Okay, so the noun that we are looking at in this sentence is my mom. How can you replace my mom with a pronoun? Write that on your whiteboard right now. You could have used the pronoun she. She will cook lunch. Let's look at one more example. Sam and Joe will run fast. So the nouns that we are looking at in this sentence are Sam and Joe. So what pronoun do you think you can use to replace Sam and Joe? Write that on your whiteboard. You could have used the pronoun they. They will run fast. Okay, so important to remember, a pronoun is a word that can take the place of a noun. You remember how earlier this week I had told you you can use words such as he, she, we, I, they, and there are a few others. Okay, so a pronoun is a word that can take the place of a noun. Bye!